one missing thing: books. Books are our best friends. I have come up with some books you can read in the lockdown and you may also enjoy it. So let's start with the first book. Here I have taken the book Secrets. This book is written by Emmett Blyton. It is about 7 children who solve a mystery in a trail. You can read this and you can find an e-copy for this too. So our next book is the same author's book but different. Famous 5. It is about 5 children who have much fun in the book and they share their adventurous times. Those who are new to reading can start off with these small novels and you may enjoy it. Now, who doesn't love moral stories? I do love. So, I have got a book for you all guys. You may also like. This is 365 moral stories. You can read one story each day and you'll have fun with this book. So, it can last the whole year. We can also implement these morals in our lives. Who doesn't love wit and intelligent stories? I've got a book for you all guys. Then Akbar and Birbal stories. You know that Akbar was a great emperor ruling India in the 16th century and Birbal his most loved minister. So Birbal has much wit and corrects Akbar when Akbar does a wrong. You can read it and find out. Those who love science will be impressed and interested by this series. It is the Young Scientist series. It is written by Nuri Vitachi and illustrations by Step Chong. So there are 12 books in this whole series and you can read. People who love science will be very interested in it and I love this book and I bet you all will like it. Who doesn't love our famous personality Abdul Kalam? He has an autobiography. An autobiography is a book which a person writes it himself. This is about Abdul Kalam's childhood and how he grew up. Its name is called The Wings of Fire. In this book, it shows that how Abdul Kalam grew and the hardships and struggles he faced and achieved his dreams. You can read it and find it very interesting. I bet it. Now what next? The Book of Maps. What is it called? Yeah, you guessed it right. It's the Atlas. I've got a geographical and historical atlas you all may read. And I make sure I read this every day to have a hobby. And you know, reading books are also a hobby. You can gift books and people may also gift books to you on your birthday. So it'll be fun to read all of these books. These are some books from my collection and I would like to know all the books from your collection. So please comment down in the comment section. And don't worry if you don't have a book. You can always order one from the internet and read an ebook. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, share, like and don't forget to click the bell for notifications.